औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बच्चों, आज मैं आपको 8वीं जमात की हिस्ट्री से जो चैप्टर हमने ख़त्म किया, व्हेन पीपल रेबल 1857 एंड आफ्टर, ये है हमारे चैप्टर का मौजू जो हमने ख़त्म किया और हमने इसके 3 सवालात भी हल किए। आज मैं आपको इस चैप्टर के बकिया सवालात हल करने जा रहा हूँ। आज का जो पहला सवाल और चैप्टर का चौथा सवाल है वो है, हाउ डिड द लास्ट। पांचवा सवाल है आज हमारा, वो है, व्हाट कुड बी द रीज़न फॉर द confidence of the British rulers about their position in India before May 1857। इसका आंसर है, पहला पॉइंट इसका है वो है, द ब्रिटिश मेड सर्टन पॉलिसीज टू स्ट्रेंथन देयर पोजीशन इन इंडिया। Policies like subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse helped them to annex Indian territories। दूसरा पॉइंट है, द ब्रिटिश residents were kept in courts of the local rulers। Freedom of the rulers was reduced, their armed forces disbanded, and their revenues and territories were taken away in stages। In this way, the British rulers became confident about their position in India before May 1857। तीसरा पॉइंट है इसका, many ruling families tried to negotiate with the company to protect their interests, but they were denied about their rights due to military strength of the company। So, they were confident because of their military strength। चौथा पॉइंट है इसका, the Mughal emperor was so weak that he was unable to counter the influence of the British। Local rulers were also weak and they had no unity among themselves। That is why also British rulers were confident about their position in India before May 1857। छठा सवाल है, what impact did Bahadur Shah Zafar's support to the rebellion have on the people and the ruling families। इसका आंसर है, Indian spies of the British army captured Delhi and forced Bahadur Shah Zafar to lead the rebel army। They even forced their way into the palace and proclaimed Bahadur Shah Zafar as their leader। The aging emperor accepted this demand। He wrote a letter to all the local rulers to organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight the British। They were threatened by the expansion of the British rule and felt that if the Mughal emperor could rule again, then they would be able to rule their own territories once again under the Mughal authority। That is why they participated in the revolt wholeheartedly। Once people saw an alternative possibility, they feel inspired and enthused। It gave them the courage, hope and confidence to act। सातवां सवाल है, how did the British accused in securing the submission of the land owners of Awadh? इसका आंसर है the British tried to win back the loyalty of the people in every possible manner. They announced rewards that loyal landlord holders would be allowed to continue to enjoy their hereditary rights over their lands. Those who had rebelled were told that if they would submit to the British, they had not killed any white people, then they would remain safe and their claims and rights to land would not be denied. In this way, the British succeeded in the securing the submission of the land owners of अवध। बच्चों, आज हमने इसके 3 सवाल और पढ़े। इंशाल्लाह बाकी जो हमारे सवाल रह गए वो इंशाल्लाह कल हम कंप्लीट करेंगे। तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।